I think it's going to pop up again. So there's another chance that perhaps we can buy when 80 cents break. And let's talk about Medtecs. Now, Medtecs, COVID-related stock, today low volume. Okay, you can see today low volume. I think it's going to pop up again. So there's another chance that perhaps we can buy when 80 cents break. Okay, you can see it's going up. Buyers are in control. After that, suddenly the volume dry out as the share price consolidates sideways with smaller and smaller candle. Okay, this is our favorite setup. Okay, now remember where we bought AEM in March, I think. Is it March? There you go. This is where we bought AEM. Those of you who are long, who are in this, not March, June, right here. Okay, now you see, it's buyer in control. After that, volume dry up, and then this is the most perfect one. Lower and lower and lower, smaller and smaller candle body. So whenever you see this, the stock is going to move. Okay, move up or down. For Medtecs, we are looking for it to move up because of two reasons. Number one, the earnings is expected to be good. Now, how do you get to this FA? Click here, click here, click here. Okay, I already open it, so I will just directly bring up the window. So let me take a look at Medtecs. Now, this is Medtecs. Now, the general health check of Medtecs is okay. Sorry, I'm click on TTM. The general health check for Medtecs based on the annual report, it is not a fantastic company. Okay, that because this is based on the 5-year moving 5-year financial performance. Okay, so it is really not good because before COVID-19 it's not doing very well, but after COVID-19 it is expected to do very well. Now, SGX companies, listed companies in SGX only report their earnings 2 times a year, half yearly. Okay, so we do not have the quarterly information yet, but according to the business update provided by Medtecs, they already they expect the second half of the year is going to make more than the first half of the year, and they already mentioned that they are going to they already make more money in first half of the year because of the COVID-19 situation. There's a strong demand for their products. Okay, so this is the last time they reported earnings in April. Okay, in April. Let me see the date. The date is indicated here. Okay, so this is where you can get an estimation of the date. Now, the last time it reported was 15th of April. You see, 15th of April, they reported Q4, which means it hasn't really fully factored in the COVID-19 earnings, you know. That time, the share price was about 20 over cents. Now it's doing 70s. Okay, 70s to 80 cents. Okay, so it should report very good earnings. Okay, and it is coming soon. August 14 was the last time it reported. See, it's quite standard. Every time about August 2nd week, it will report earnings. So this is where you can get an estimation of when this company is going to give its earnings. Okay, so this is why we expect Medtecs price to go up. There is a reason, earnings reason. Okay, earnings reason. So anything weakness in this stock, the only weakness that we saw was this long black candle. Now, if you see this long black candle, now why we call it long black? Because it's long black color candle with high volume. Why do we call it high volume? Because on the way up, this is the high volume. Now when it come down, the volume is equally high. So we call this high volume. Now this is the time we call it low volume. Because very obvious, this is the high volume. This volume is so far from the high volume, so it's called a low volume. Okay, so this is how you call high or low volume. Well, how you recognize high or low volume. But the good thing about Medtecs is last week, you can see the buyers step back into the stock and the volume is quite reasonably high. Okay, if we step back into the stock with this kind of low volume, then the buyers are not strong. Okay, so now it step back in with such a volume. I consider it quite high. Okay, the best is higher than the selling volume, but it is not. It is very near the high. Okay, and so this is the first clue of the buyer stepping back into the stock. So now this is the week. This week got 4 days only. Monday, Tuesday to Wednesday, for Thursday, and then Friday is public holiday. Okay, Friday. So we only got a 4-day week. So we expect this week to be action-packed. Okay, action-packed. Hey, it's not National Day. Why holiday? I think it's Hari Raya, if I'm not wrong. 31st, Hari Raya. Okay. Then next week, 7 is not a holiday. So we got 8, 9, 10. Oh, long weekend, the week after. National Day long weekend. Okay, so you can go for a short trip. Okay, can go for a short trip. You can go from maybe from Bukit Merah to Tiong Bahru or from Bedok to Bedok Reservoir go for a long weekend short trip. Okay, so Medtecs. Yeah, so we are looking forward to so tomorrow. Okay, let's set this alert here now. Let's set this alert. Medtecs. Now this is the CG Plus. Watch how I use it. Okay, watch how I use it. So these are some of the alerts that are already configured. Therefore, you receive the alerts. Medtecs. Okay, Medtecs. So Medtecs, we are waiting for it to cross up. Crossing up or down? Why is it crossing up or down? Let me take a look. Medtecs. Oh, so this is the danger area. So if the price comes down, we will be alerted. Okay, you receive a alert on your mobile phone, then you may have to check the volume is very high and you get the hell out of the stock. Also, this is for the worry line. I call it the worry line, not the stop loss line, the worry line. And do I have another Medtecs here? Okay, no more Medtecs. So I will open up a new Medtecs. Okay, over here, price alert, horizontal line alerts. And I'm going to place it at 79.5 cents. Okay, put by Friday, apply. Now tomorrow when Medtecs cross this level and you see the trading volume, okay, trading volume, you can see during this consolidation 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 volume bar. Now this is the highest of the 4. Okay, buyer step back in, consolidate. The next breakout. Those of you who do not have, 不要错过. Okay, 不要错过, because earlier batches of members like myself already make one round from Medtecs, already double our money. So we already sold half. The other half is sitting in the market is free money. And recently we muscled again. Okay, we bought again. I think our entry price is, I didn't capture the entry price. 66 cents, sorry, 66 cents. Okay. 66 cents. Our entry price is 66 cents. So we are already sitting on profit second time in Medtecs. So there will be a third time. So I think tomorrow we should, not tomorrow this week Medtecs if tomorrow never move, keep following. Okay, 咬住不要放 okay, 咬住不要 don't go and distract yourself by saying this DBS OCBC, because I think that one in the news more often and in more forums a lot of people talking about those blue chips. SIA wow, that one waste time. Nobody is flying. Why go and bet on recovery, right? Okay, so remember, focus. Okay, focus with intent is very powerful. Right, so this is Medtecs. So this is all for tonight. All these stocks that I analyzed together with you and have some fun chit-chatting with you on the macro economy, on the stocks to look out for, and also train you on how to read the chart. Okay, for those of you who are interested in my training program, I do conduct a very low-cost training program, cater to train you up to be able to trade the stock market in under 3 months. Okay, so you're not looking at 2,000, you're not looking at 3,000. It is only at $291 for 3 months. So after 3 months, the most popular question is, after 3 months, what happened? After 3 months, then you are no longer a member. You should be able to know how to trade already. So if you still think that you need more training and you need more mentorship from me, then you renew another 291. Okay, now when you sign up for 291, what do you get? Okay, now this is me. Okay, you will get access to the premium training videos that I have prepared right here. So all members are encouraged to go through the training videos, 9 of them. Okay, let's go through. So how to use the software, just now I show you the ESP Master User Guide, and then how to find earnings momentum stocks. Okay, then this is how to calculate target price using the EPS model. Okay, and this one, how to determine volume trigger. This is the core principle behind the execution of the trade, when to buy. Okay, now how many units to buy, how many shares to buy, how to manage your stock portfolio. Okay, and then you have got sell rules, when to sell. Now buying is easy, buying is simple. Tomorrow stock market open, you just buy a stock, but when do you sell? That's the art you need to learn. Okay, now John asked a question, does the mentorship program cover the dividend play training? I am preparing for the video. Once it's ready, I will upload for all the members over here. Okay, there is no, okay, let me repeat, there is no second training on dividend play or a separate course. Don't have. It will be integrated into the same program over here. Okay, so this is the units. So once you get access to this Facebook private group, units is where all the training videos are, and discussion is the stocks that we're talking about. Okay, stocks that we are talking about, Sheng Siong lah, the weekly webinar lah, every Monday. Okay, every Monday about 9 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. I'll be online. So this is the video. Okay, then let's go back to this. You get access to all the software as well. Now this is the Facebook group. Okay, so the videos are inside this group, and you get access to this group during the 90 days, and you get access to the stock screener, ESP master, and also the fundamental information right here. Last time we separate the package. This you have to pay a separate cost for it. Now no, now 2 in 1, everything hamplang together for only 291. Okay, for only 291. So I believe a lot of you may have traded before, and you know to lose 291 is very simple and very easy. Now instead of losing this 291 and don't know what's going on and keep repeating, keep losing the next 291, why don't you invest this 291 in this program and learn, okay, how to read chart, how to find stocks to trade for 3 months together with me, that BMT. So after that, you should be able to do it by yourself. Okay, but if, like I said, if you still need help, you can continue to subscribe to 291 and let us do this together. Okay, so this is the 4 simple step. You do the screening, you pick from the list, you evaluate the fundamental information, and then you wait for the volume trigger before you buy the stock. About ChartNexus, okay, I think a lot of you know who is ChartNexus. We supply charts to Keihan, UOB Keihan. We are the software vendor in the broking industry for the last 14 years. Okay, for the last 14 years. So you know that we are deeply rooted in this part of the world, supplying to the industry. Okay, you can trust us. Now this is my name, Yihua. Okay, a lot of people ask me, hey, your name, Chinese name, very difficult to remember. No, do you have an English name? Have. Okay, my English name is called ChartNexus law. Okay, ChartNexus law. Right, so this is my name, private trader for the last 16 years. So this last time a news article featured me, so I use this picture, okay, this phrase from me. And the trade results from all the past members and the testimonials are here, so you can come here and take a look. I'm going to, the link is already pinned up onto the chart, okay, onto the chart. Sorry, not onto the chart, onto the chat, to the chat. Right, so this is the program for 291. It's just like paying to learn swimming. Okay, paying to learn swimming. Now, I've come to the end of the presentation. Any questions, feel free to ask under the comments field.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel and open the bell to get the notification of our new video. Also like and follow our Facebook page.